Hey everyone, so today I'm going to talk about the Galaxy Watch 4. Now I know this is the smartwatch, the most best selling smartwatch from Samsung. At the same time, it is something that I can recommend to everyone. But there are some problems, definitely. But I'm not going to cover all those things in this video because this is the first impression kind of video. There is a full-fledged review coming right after this video, but you will have to wait a little bit. But one thing I'm going to say, if you are thinking of getting a smartwatch but at a cheaper price, then I think this is the best. So first and foremost, the unboxing video, there is nothing to unbox actually. The unboxing experience is pretty meh. So you can see the Google Pixel smartwatches unboxing somewhere else. That is much more premium. Well, it is also costly, but some people actually bought this Galaxy Watch 4 last year at a very high price. So if you think that way, then this smartwatch unboxing experience isn't actually good. There is nothing to show. There is no fancy drama, nothing like that. It doesn't even feel like you spent 300 bucks. But for the price I got it, about 100 bucks or so, I think it's well worth it. Like at that price, I have nothing to complain. But for whoever bought it at a higher price, I don't know what you got. Now, this unboxing made it clear that if I have to buy a high-end watch, I will not pick the Watch 5 at all, because that watch is almost identical to this one, and that costs like 400 bucks or so in my region. So you can probably get it at 250 or something like that. But here's the thing, the unboxing experience is gonna be identical, and at that price, the unboxing, no, hell no. At the very least, the Watch 5 Pro may be slightly more costlier, and slightly means quite a bit more costlier than the Watch 5. But at the end of the day, the watch itself is a premium one. It has better build quality, much more cooler things. Watch 5 is still identical to this one. Just a bit better battery life and faster charging. That's it. And the temperature sensor. Nothing else. So for me, it was satisfactory because of only one thing. The price. I paid only 100 bucks for it. One thing about I can say I'm using it for quite a long time now, but because by the time you're watching this video, I have been using it for like more than 5 or 6 days, but this is still not final enough to give a good judgment on the device. I will give you a proper judgment on my final review, whether you should buy or not. But spoiler alert, I would probably say just go right and buy it. I mean, if you can charge it for 2 hours, more than 2 hours a day, yeah. But one thing I can say is that it looks good, it feels good, it is light, it is sexy. At the same time, I would say like the best screen possible at that price, and probably a best software experience. So here is a surprise for whoever watching till the end. All of the watch faces shown in the video and more cool looking watch faces are up on my website. And the best part is that all of them are free as of now. So definitely get them on your wearOS or Tizen watches. And if you're thinking, all the links are in the description below. So definitely check out. So yeah, that's about it. If you want to see more episodes like this, then definitely do like this video and do subscribe this channel. Also, visit my website, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. You can also find a lot of 8K wallpapers over there. So why not? Just visit it. Until the next episode, bye and take care.